If you're looking for a special dish to treat your visitors to this Christmas, this is it. They have bole, we have some roasted sweet potatoes, we have Titus fish, of course, and we have this sauce. This sauce is bliss in a plate. You're going to love it and you should definitely try it.
And it went like.
These are the ingredients we need. The only things not here are maybe like salt, seasoning, and maybe ginger and garlic. But everything here is going to be in the description box. But just know that this recipe is a banger. We have fresh pepper, we have just a little bit of fresh tomatoes, onions, spring onions, and these green beans. I have some plantains here. These plantains look so good and they are firm. I can't wait to eat them. Then I have this fish. So this is just a serving for two people. I have this Titus fish. I kind of made some cuts on it so that we can season it and have everything enter inside it. So here I have three leaves. Everything is going to be in the description box because I think I'm talking so fast. But Utazi, scent leaf, and uziza. So those are the three leaves I'm using. You can use your preferred one. The Utazi is bitter, so that's why I have just a little bit of it. The scent leaf is very flavorful. It's very, very nice for bole sauce every single time. This is onions for garnish, some spring onions for garnish as well. Washed potatoes here. These are sweet potatoes. We're going to air fry them together with the plantains. And then here we have Ugba. That's Ukpaka. Yeah. So do people like soft plantains? I can't imagine eating soft plantains. So I'm never able to. I can never, no matter how much I'm craving a plantain, if I underestimate its ripeness and I fry it and it's soggy, I'm not eating it. So the thing with this plantain is that when it has been roasted, it kind of shrinks and then you realize that this may not be enough for you. But yeah, so that's why I'm doing three plantains into oil, mix that up. Potato is very sweet. Plantain too is very sweet. I don't salt them when I am frying or roasting. So for the fish, nothing too serious, just a bit of seasoning, a bit of ginger and garlic. We're going to air fry this as well, but that is when the potatoes are out. To pulse all of this, green beans, spring onion, pepper, tatashe, onion, and tomatoes. I'll finish up. So I think that the green beans is really strong, and that's why that did not pulse. We use it like that though. Forgot that I had something on fire, but yeah, it is really brown. These ones are almost burnt, but I don't mind. I fried the fish. The first thing we do is to put in oil. So we need a lot of oil for this, so please don't scream at the amount of oil you're seeing. The oil is hot enough, and this goes in the roughly blended. So, like I said, we need a lot of oil for this because it's just like the way you would probably eat yam and oil. You need enough oil for it. So, we need enough oil to fry it and some more oil to enjoy the meal. This has been here for 6 minutes now. I'm going to go in with seasoning, salt, pepper. So it has locust beans, crayfish, dry fish, stockfish, Cameroon powder. So I'm going in with that. A bit of spring onion, Ukpaka, and after 2 minutes, I will put in the vegetables that I have. I've just decided last minute to add a bit of crayfish. Normally, I don't add crayfish to this, except I feel like if you taste it and you want it to have um, more in-depth local flavor, then go for the crayfish. Then all the leaves go in. So, like I said, I have uziza, I have Utazi, and scent leaf. I'll just leave this on fire for a minute and I'll take it off. This is a meal you want to have when you miss home, when you miss Christmas, when you miss all the fun you used to have during Christmas as a child. Tastes so good as well. Our sauce is ready. And we are just dishing it. If you watched up until this point, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you would try it out because you would love it. You would love it.